Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Paul. Today I'd like to take you through how you can be able to use Endnote software to do your referencing. Either you're doing in-text citation and you want to see all those citations included in your bibliography. So without wasting time, I'll go straight to the paragraph which you can see on the screen. So this paragraph I want to use as an example. So we want to do some citations here. So maybe you want to insert one of the citation after the first sentence, which ends here on the group. So the first thing you need to do is to click where you want to insert the reference. And then after you have clicked here, and then you space. And then after that, you go to your EndNote, you open your EndNote software. These are the references which are shown here in the EndNote software. You select by just clicking in one of the references that you want to insert. And then up here in the EndNote software, you'll see the apostrophe marks are symbols. You click on them. These symbols here will insert the citation or the reference that you have selected. So we click. When you click, it will insert the reference to your work. You say we have inserted this reference where we had clicked. You can also insert two or more references at one place. Maybe you want to insert this to do in-text citation at this given part. I've clicked and then I space. And after you do that, then you go back to your EndNote software. You select maybe two references. These are the ones I've selected. And then you go up here, you click on these apostrophe symbols, you click, then it will insert also the references. So we have inserted the two references that we selected below here. You see, the moment you insert a reference in your work, it will be automatically shown below here in your bibliography. You can also insert any place. Maybe you want to insert at this given point, you want to insert three references. So you select or you click here, then you space. Then again, you open your EndNote software. So you want to insert maybe the first reference, then the third, and also this is the one we have. And you click on the apostrophe symbols and you click, all the references also will be inserted where we had clicked. So these are the ones which we have. Sometimes you may decide or you want to include in the first reference which you had inserted, this only one, you want also to add another one. So what you do, you just go in this reference, you click at the end of the year, not outside the bracket. You must be within the brackets, and then you click between the year and the brackets. Don't space, just you click there. After you click, then again you go to your EndNote software. In this EndNote software, you select the reference that you want to insert. This is the reference you want to include. Then you click on these apostrophe symbols. When you click, it has been included in your work. Awesome. Yeah, you see, this is what we have. If included there. So this is the best way in how you can use your EndNote software to manage your references very fast. So you can decide to maybe to delete one of the reference. Maybe you did by mistake. Maybe you have a reference which you let us add maybe one of the reference somewhere here. Maybe this where you want to you added a reference. You can add one of the reference here. This is what you have. We have this, and maybe this reference you have added it by mistake. So what do you do to delete that given reference? What you do is you select that reference, the whole of it. After you select the whole of it, this part, make sure you select including the brackets. Don't backspace. If you backspace, it may not delete it. It will again return back. So what you do is you select the whole of the reference, including the brackets, and then you just delete. It will disappear. So it will delete up here, and it will also delete below the bibliography that you had. So what about if you want to delete one of the reference, which is among the other references that we have here? This one you don't select. What you do, you just click on the reference that you had. When you click on the references, maybe you want to remove one of the reference here, Barik, you want to remove this, you don't select it. What you do is you click here, and then you go to the Endnote in your Word document. Don't go back to the Endnote, just in your Word document. You click here, Endnote, you'll see at the end here, there's indicated edit and manage. So you click here, edit and manage. Then you'll see the references name, the one which you want to remove. We have to check, you want to remove Barik on that. So this is the one which is shown here, this, and then you go at the end here, you click remove, then you say okay. After you have done that, you see it has just removed the one where you had selected. It did not remove the other Barik up here. It only removed this where you selected. So you can also decide to remove maybe this other reference. Maybe you did by mistake. You just click where it is like that. When you click, then again, make sure you have clicked on the Endnote in your Word document. Then you go to edit, citation. Then this pops up. Then you see this is the one which you want to remove. You click on this, then on this drop down, you click remove citation, then you click OK. It will automatically remove. Then you remain with this. Again, the reference that you have, the citation you have removed, it's also automatically deleted down here. You can decide also even to remove this. It's depending on your decision on what you want to do. So this is how you can manage your referencing using the Endnote software. Thank you for checking in on my channel. And before you leave, please make sure you subscribe for more videos on how to use Endnote software in managing your referencing and your research work. Either you're writing an article, you're writing a thesis, or you're writing a dissertation.